Now, 65 just sell it a lot of things.
Yeah, no, I come in and see them right here.
First day at the junkyard. This is crazy. So all these cars for sale too, Adrian?
Alright, you can't buy my hair.
Oh, you just gotta get this for the parts. What? And all the tires are gone because what?
Take them off so you can put them on the wheels so you can crawl up on them and take off.
Oh, wow. Jeez, Louisa. And how you know what type of car how you find the car? Like, they got all the cars and a certain... What do you mean?
They got them in rows. See, this all Chevrolets over here.
Chevy, no, this Buick too.
Yeah, Buick, Chevrolet, all right.
Oh, Buick and Chevrolet? Oh, shit. Pontiac?
GMC cars.
Oh, okay. Gotcha.
There's hat.
Thank you. So sweet, all the time, so sweet.
Gotta be.
First time at the junkyard, y'all.
These are General Motors. Trucks over there, cars over there.
Oh, wow. So at least, yeah, that's good. So at least you know you don't even have to go over there.
Ford all the way in the back there.
That's where you have to go.
Yeah, Ford and Dodge all the way back there.
Oh, wow.
Hondas and Nissans and stuff like that.
Yeah. Hey guys, welcome back to who channel is going on? Mine or yours?
Our channel.
Ours as a couple.
Yeah, whichever one you want to put them on. Ours.
I'm gonna turn my channel into our channel.
Our channel.
Okay. Well, whenever I post. Whenever we post. Whenever you post, you post.
Yep.
Okay.
That'll be fine
That's a
with
deal?
me.
Okay, that's the deal. So we are at the junkyard. I'm at the junkyard for the first time.
And she's amazed, y'all.
Yeah, it's pretty cool out here for real. We are looking for a back window for Breezy. A 2000 what? 2008.
11. Somewhere up in there. Ultima.
Altima. We found a car. They're about to take out the window. This little toolbox. This is what he do, y'all. This is what he do.
Yes, sir. Especially I ain't got to worry about putting it back together. I'm going to tear it up.
Okay. Okay. Take him long to take that out. Don't take him long at all. I always thought back here been like grassy and just nasty, like play hide and go seek back here, AJ.
I'm telling you.
Hide and go get. Hide and go get, baby.
I ain't got a damn tool I need.
What?
I need a star head. And I ain't brought that home.
You think somebody got it? Got one? A starring head?
Star head.
Star head?
Yeah.
That's two dudes over there.
Let me ask them. They got to talk to. Excuse me, brother.
Got it out. Easy, puppy. Easy. Easy, puppy.
That's a done deal.
I told AJ I'll go give the tool back to the guys. I'm gonna tell him again, for y'all can see his expression. Why I couldn't get him back the thing?
You want to tell him?
What?
Jack of all trades and master of none.
Oh yeah. Why I couldn't go give him the thing?
But I said so.
Huh?
I said so. You don't feel me?
Why I couldn't get him it?
I slide that shit to the side.
Stop.
Come on.
Which way? Which way? This way? Way too much. You know I would too. If we been all the way in the back though. We had to be over there with a full of that, like you said. We gotta go back Dodge for real? Oh, you trying to get all your little parts and stuff today. Oh my God. Jeez, Louisa. Polka dot Eza. Then we both got them black. I thought he was gonna say I couldn't go come in with my shoes. Oh, okay. Thought you had to come in here with steel toe boots on. We still walking, y'all. Still walking.
Getting the bar, we getting a workout. See them the cars right there, they just got in. They gotta strip them or do whatever they gotta do to them.
Oh.
Oh.
This way? Oh yeah, good.
Good?
Yeah. I'm straight. I am straight, baby. Ooh, shaky, shaky. Oh yeah, for your truck, right? It sound good. What you think I'm gonna do? I'm following you. You just got it? You got it? Huh?
Yeah.
What is it? What piece you need?
Gotta get this.
Oh. Oh, that pop out easy.
I had twisted. You didn't see when I twisted?
Uh-uh.
Oh, my wife got it in the truck.
Oh, gosh. Yeah, you make the last one work. You'll make this work. I know you will.
Yeah, they got the same color wires.
Hard as a son of a gun. Yeah, coming on the way. It's hot out here. Got it. He left his wire cutter in the truck. All right, y'all, we are out of here. AJ is finished. He got everything that he needs.
We are out of here.
We are out of here. I am hot and bothered. It's hot out here, so I understand what you go through now, AJ. What time now? What time now?
Right there, it's bow time and cow Conway, South Carolina. Fries too? Yes, sir. The biscuit fresh? All right.
You got the honey mustard too? You got your honey mustard and barbecue?
Yeah.
About to chomp on this.
Name of that side?
Yeah, I got it. I got it.
Seacoast.
Side and then vacuum. Woo! Huh? It's the hangout. We are on official date night. That's what he said.
Chilling.
That's what he said. Just us chilling on this beautiful Sunday night. It's pretty. Like the camera ain't doing no justice. You know?
I got your little phone. I ain't gonna put the phone in the water. Just chilling. What? Just chilling.
Huh? This guy is thumbnail cooking. Hey girl, how you? Good. I love that little area right there. That's pretty. Guest services. Huh?
I thought that was real.
Where you go at? I think right there. Huh? No, you go through there. You go through here, boy.